guys, and today we're going to play Brookhaven. And I don't know why my percentage is really at 67. It's 67. 67. All right, let's go. We're going to be going to door and scamming people. We're going to turn the windows and we can't. And I don't know why I'm in mode. Well, I don't know why I'm in French. But I do know French. No français. Bonjour, je m'appelle. But that's why. Oh, crap. There's a... Okay, excuse me. You can't run me over like that. All right, now we're going to go door to door. Okay. We're going to go door to door. And no, I'm not going to do, but soon I'll do my mic. I'm not even joking. But I won't do it because my iPad is charging. Where is there? Is there any houses? Okay. So I guess there's none. Well, at least we can check up here. Wow. Nothing. I guess we need to drive with over their car. It just makes it. That is a terrible car. We're gonna get this type of car. Okay. Absolutely not. I'm scamming. Okay, hold on. I have to put my time thing back on. All right. So I do you know what my time thing is? So I know how many is left in the video. Yo, I swear, if I hit that, okay. But let's go. Oh, I see a first house, a scam. We're gonna scam that one. Okay, so we're gonna actually carefully get out of this car and ring it doorbell. Alright, so do you know what I'm gonna do? Okay, so we're gonna turn to really small. Okay, good. Now I'm small. Wait, I can just hide in this garbage thing. Ring the doorbell. He's over there. This ain't good. This ain't good. Go to the garbage can. Yo, no one thinks I'm gonna be in here. Why is she not responding? Okay. Go. Oh, she found me. Crap. Run away. I did not mean that, chat. I did not mean that. Okay. No, I'm gonna do it now. Yo, she just rung it there. Wait, can I actually ring it over? No, I can't. I can try to make a gun sound. Have a gun and shoot it. Yo, how is she like? Oh no. Oh no! I should not have done that. Okay. At least I'm in the garbage can. Let's see if I can oh no. My hands are speaking out. swear, if I fart in this, I'll be good. Yo, I think that this lady is not gonna catch me in her garbage can. Yo, I can see that. Oh, I'm gonna do another one more time. Yo, I should bomb inside of her house. Okay, let's see if I can sneak. Go. I can hide in here instead. Alright, next one. I shouldn't have had a gun out here. Let's see if I can find it. No, it does not look like it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. How are we gonna? How is the lady not here? Oh no, she hears it. Let's try to sneak in her house. Or in the back. I want to sneak in the house. Maybe steal stuff from her. Maybe we can try to Okay, we're going to try to sneak through here. So what I'm going to do is grab a sleeping bag. Where's the sleeping bag? I can't find a sleeping bag. Oh, there it is. Sleeping bag. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a garage. That's a terrible idea. Okay, we're going to try to sneak inside by this. No, not like that. That's going to be terrible. That's a terrible idea. It's little. Okay. I should actually turn myself back to big. Because when I fit inside, it could, when I'm big, it could work much better. Okay. Turn big. Don't worry, she won't caught me. But if she does, that'll be actually kind of silly. But it's just a normal okay, so that's brutal. Okay, no. That's a terrible thing. Okay, let's try to do this. That's terrible. Maybe I should do, what? No, that's a big no-no. Or, I can try to sneak inside like this, or not. This is, a good way to sneak inside. Yo, I'm really trying to sneak inside of this house. Oh, that's one. He's inside her house. We can go right now and steal something from her safe. Let's be quiet. She's right there. How are we gonna climb it? Okay, go. Hide. I'm gonna turn myself a little. Good. We just need somewhere to go. But how are we gonna? Okay, so we sneaked in her house. I don't know what to do. No, that's not. How about you? Can we on out. No. Okay, but still, he can go sneak in this guy's house. Let's start ringing his doorbell. Okay, ready, I'm ready. It's right in here. How is she not? Okay. Maybe I can just try sleeping bag through the house, or okay. Alright, now we're gonna try. Let's try going through the garage door. Wait, guys, I have an idea. We rob it safe. Okay, so we need the sleeping bag. Where's the sleeping bag? I can't see it. Oh, there's the sleeping bag. Okay. Ah! Excuse me. Okay, finally. Hey, excuse me. Right. No. Get rid of it. Like, I don't know. Like, I swear, if you. Okay. Okay, this is not ending out right. What should we do? Alright, no, that would be a great one, but it needs to be on the, garage door. That's a great one, okay. We snuck inside his house. Let's go. Now, let's rob the safe. Let's rob it. Wherever he is, he's not gonna know where's his safe. Where is his safe? Oh my gosh. Yo, I can't find it. Okay, so, in the chimney. Oh, wait, I just noticed there's a secret thing over here. Wait, it could be in here. Come in here. Oh, crap, because it's locked. Guys, it's locked. It's really locked. The safe could be in there. Yeah, where is his actual safe? Oh! Okay, let's rob it. Okay, but how? Let's find let's find it. Okay, good. We're gonna rob it. Go. You robbed it. Let's go. Yo, quickly, man. Alright, now it's time to go home. Yo, sleeping bag, you're gonna get me caught. That was a perfect one. Yo. Okay, we stole it. Yo, quickly before he comes home. Alright. Quickly. Oh, that's a good way. Woo! Guys, we just stole someone's first house. How about this one? Okay, because I tried ringing the doorbell and nothing happened. So, I guess just rob is safe. How about this guy's house? So, what we're gonna do is see if we can find anywhere to hide. Like, let's see if we can find anywhere to hide. In these bushes! Or over here or something. But there's a window. because this is a window house, I think. Okay, so we're gonna ring the doorbell, like, literally right now. If not, we're gonna sneak inside. Because the door's locked. This is why we have our sleeping bags. You just saw that. No one there. No one there. There's really no one there. Alright, bro, there's no one there. Oh. What? He has a son? He has a kid? Alright, let's go. Oh no, you might know this one. Okay, now we're going it one more time. This is bad. We really can't really, like, where can we hide above here? Maybe. Oh no. She maybe saw. Okay. We're going to doorbell again. Oh no. He has a kid. She does. Holy. Okay, we need to go. Bye bye. We got. Okay, I found a perfect house. Okay. All right, let's go drive over there with my Exovo car. Someone would be like, is there no one driving this car? Well, I am. There's nobody driving this car. Except I am. Because I'm literally under the car driving. That's a great house. Okay, so let's go slowly at this point. Because I don't want to get caught. And now we're going to delete my car. Okay, good. Oh no, just a little. She was right there. Oh, how about this house? This house looks beautiful to rob, even though I know where it is. Okay, chat. Hopefully her door, and when she... What the heck? Dude. Are you serious right now, bro? This is great. So what we're gonna do? Wait, there's the 6, 7. 6! 6, 7! Alright. Anyways, should better put that away. Yo, I don't know why it's just French. Okay, so that's good. So it's this. What's that? Okay. Ding dong. Oh, that's a great swamp. But this is kind of a bad one because you can't see me. Or do I just leave? Okay, we snuck away. What? What the? Do. We're not gonna take a shower. This is her house. And she'll hear it, and then we'll get caught. Crap. Ooh. I'm not banned. I just resetted it. I could. But at least know how to, like, oh wait, we can just get a jet or a helicopter to fly over the house. That's a great idea. Okay, so let's see if I can try to find a jet. Let's see if I can find a jet. Yo, there is really no. Why is the Halloween update still here? Chat. Let's get a jet or a helicopter. Let's get a jet or a helicopter. Let's go to the police station. Go up to the ladder, and I guess get one. Okay, so we have options here. We'll choose a jet. Oh, what? Okay, I guess we had to choose a helicopter. Yo, I really don't know French, and Brookhaven's doing French. Why? Okay, I'm gonna click every single one. Or somebody using it. Oh, wait. Or maybe I have a car and I need to delete it. And oh, that's okay. Okay. So we have. So okay, we're gonna helicopter right now. Come on. All right, finally. Here we go. Go up. So we're going to go really high up and see if we can find anything. The school? No, because there's nobody living there. But we just need to fly somewhere. And no one has car driving. And I'm the only one flying. And I'm the only one ahead of everyone. Okay, so we're going to land on that house right there. Going to land on that house. This is a dangerous way because I am too high up. But maybe, like, alright, we're landing. She'll be like that. And it's actually me landing on her house. Yo. Hopefully the helicopter does not fail. Do not even think about it. But just need to find a way to go back up there. Like, is this available? Oh, my helicopter is up there. Let's see what can we, like, let's see what. Okay, so we sneak through over here. Let's see if I can find, okay, so, like, my helicopter's up there. So what do we do, chat? Like, where do we, like, what do we do? Alright. Just the same. Oh, okay. I just found a way. Okay. I just found a way. Alright. Don't tell me she's over. Hopefully she's not in her house. Well, we're gonna try to doorbell it because we're gonna scam people. By ringing their doorbell. Oh, there's the door. It's unlocked. Okay, go. I swear she's not respawned. Okay, so it looks like she hasn't responded yet. Crap. I guess she noticed or not. Oh, crap. Why did you do that? Now I have nowhere. Okay. It's okay. I can just do this. All my home. 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay. I can try going on that roof. Alright. So, we're going to the police station. I don't know why, there's police dogs, by the way. Around the roof with my little chair. Okay, crap. Get rid of it. Okay, got rid of it. Okay, good. We grabbed a jet. That's always good. No, I keep okay, it's fine. No, I don't want to get stuck. Alright. Okay. Going. Jeez, this is crazy. Yo. Bro. Oh my. Okay, so we're gonna. Alright, we have our brand new home. Okay, we're gonna try to sneak through there. Okay, hold on. No! I thought I was gonna crash. First, we need to go full speed and go all the way up. We could go to Space News, but we're gonna go underground so you guys can know what it looks like under there. Because over there is their house, so we are gonna go deep under there. Deep. There it is. So this is what under the map looks like in Brookhaven. So it looks like, okay. So do you see that? That right there. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay, crap. No. Crap. Chat. Yo, we need to oh no. Oh jeez. Okay, so this is, if you did not know what this underground looked like, this is what it is. And I'll also make a video about that, but it looks like underground. Oh, crap! Oh, crap. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, crap. Okay, so, and do you saw that, hockey game, on my channel, like, on the, like, that he sticks with that blue guy? That's Lachlan. That's my friend. Oh, crap. No! Got rid of the house. But... and we can't land on this house because the family... Okay. Oh, guys. I guess it's time for the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and comment. Comment below what I want. Tell me what I want to do next. Comment below that what I should do next to Brookhaven, and I'll agree with that and make a video about it. So comment below for it. Comment below so I can probably make another one, what you like say. Comment below that that you like Brookhaven. Comment below that you like Brookhaven. And remember to subscribe. You can comment below anything. Alright, bye. Hold on, we're gonna start crashing into a house and then end it. Okay, crap. It's already 30. Alright, 30 minutes is gonna end. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Ah! Oop. I guess, hold on. So this looks like this video is gonna end in 33 minutes. Ah! Oh no! Ah! 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 Go high. Okay, hold on. Alright, guys, ready? 33 minutes. This video is gonna end. And alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Oops.